Welcome to the Canva Classroom, everybody, where every expert was once a beginner. Thank you for learning Canva with me. Yesterday, how to make channel art. I told you that there is a template for you in the description. The channel art template link. You're going to click that because this is what I've done for you. I've created you a template. You're going to use this. And you can use this template whether you have a free account or a Canva Pro account. However, there is a premium image there. You will see that it looks like this. So if you have free, know that you can't download that image unless you want to pay for Canva Pro or pay for the image. But we're going to go through these 23 pages really quick so I can show you what to do with them, because I want you to have the best advantage you can for making your channel art better. Whenever I share a template, I always do a channel art cover page. I always leave a letter to the students. It tells you what the maximum size is. It tells you what your desktop, your tablet, and your safe zone is. And basically your safe zone is the area where you want all of your most important details of your channel arts, because that's what's going to be seen on your mobile device. How do you use it? Well, here's the template, and you could take it and actually just do a copy, Control C, and then Control V or Command V into a document that is 2560 by 1440 for a brand new thing. So let me show you here. Type up YouTube channel. There we go. YouTube channel art. Create a blank one. And now we're going to paste it here. And you can set image, right click and set image as background. And then at this point, you can layer on top of it. This is another little template. Here's one. Let me copy this, Control C, and you will see that you actually don't see any of her image with this. This right here is a grid. Detach image. I created this with my account for you, and I slid it right into a grid so that it doesn't take over the background. It is large enough to cover everything. And what you see back there is what you would see on a mobile device. Let me look up something. Let me do colors. Let me grab a photo. And if I put this image back there, replace background, that's what would show up on the channel art on a mobile device. Here is that same image with this mobile device grid transparency rectangle. And you will see here that she's got a watermark because I'm in my free account. But that's the only thing that you would see. And so adjustments need to be made. This is the desktop rectangle. Same thing as the mobile rectangle, and you can set it right on top of an image. This is the same grid situation. Here we go. Okay, this is what you would see with this template. It actually lines up pretty well. I wonder what it would look like if I go and take this. We'll scroll this and Control C that one, and I'm just going to slide it right on top. And then that shows you what you see on the mobile device. That actually looks pretty good. So here's an example of a template. This template looks great, but most of it gets cut off in the mobile device. You don't see serendipity. How much of this is seen on mobile device? Let's go check it out. A lot. So adjustments need to be made. Made the text smaller. That way it fit within this box. This looks much better. And you see it's just that grid. And finally, a thank you note with a couple video tutorials here, the one with channel art and one on thumbnail feedback. I really hope that you find this template beneficial. Thank you so much for learning with the Canva Classroom. If you missed out on the YouTube channel art, then make sure you watch it right now. It's on your screen. Thanks so much for learning with me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.